What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another PlayStation tips and tricks video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pretty common mistake that could accidentally be damaging your PlayStation controller and you might not even know about it. Now, this was actually pointed out by a viewer in a previous video, and the comment was in regards to using a USB wall adapter or power brick for charging your PS4 controller. And believe it or not, there are actually a lot of people who do this, mainly families or users who own multiple controllers. But this comment got me curious because I will admit that in the past I have done this myself. And luckily I have never experienced any kind of issues with doing it. In fact, I even mentioned it in one of my PlayStation life hacks videos. But I actually ended up cutting it from the video completely because after doing some research, I did discover that a number of users were experiencing what appeared to be overcharge and signs of battery damage potentially caused by wall charging. Now, I haven't been able to find anything in the user guide about not doing this, so I'm going to take it that you can do it, but there are a few precautions that you should take if you're going to safely wall charge your controller with minimal risk. So what you're seeing here is a PlayStation battery pack, and what you will notice is that inscribed on the battery itself, there is a maximum charge current and maximum charge voltage. Now guys, I'm not going to pretend to be an electrician, but based on everything that I have been reading and collecting from this, if you are going to be charging your controller with a USB wall adapter, the adapter itself should be rated at 1 amps, 5 volts. Anything more than that could potentially damage the battery pack in your controller. Now, for those of you who want to play it safe, you could also look into wall adapters that offer overcharge and overcurrent protection, which should further protect your controller from damage. Alternatively, you can also set your PlayStation to supply USB power while in rest mode and charge your controllers that way with no risk whatsoever. But there you guys have it. I wanted to share this with you all, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it interesting. If you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video. Comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any kind of experience with wall charging your PS4 controller. I'd love to know your thoughts below. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.